Oh, we're 4 games away from completing the season. It can be a new journey. It's the continuation of what Jose has left. Good work from him, very professional. We want to end the season by continuing to play games to win.
Are you going to be a bit more experimental in terms of tactics today? Because not a lot of changes with regards to that starting 11.
The process in our team is simple. We play for so many objectives. The first one being to win the match, perform the way we want to perform, dominate the match. Based on the analysis we get from opponents, then we put the team that we have today.
Let's talk about the training as well heading into today. Was there anything different or maybe a feel or mood?
We have worked with the coach for the longest time. You don't change horses while you're crossing the stream. I think it's too late for us to try too many new things. We're not similar. We might do things differently, but we try to continue with it the same way the things have been done.
You're facing a TS Galaxy side that has their own objectives. At the end of the day, they need the 3 points with regards to what they want to achieve. Do you then go head on in terms of tactics?
TS Galaxy is a very difficult side. They've always given us challenges, but teams bring a different approach every time they play Pirates. We're expecting anything, and that's why we want to focus on our game more than expecting them to change or not to change. But we know they're a good side, good players, but let's see what happens.
Thank you, Coach Mandla. All the best.
I appreciate it. Thank you.